Hello traders, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how I trade, what is my strategy, so that you can apply it in your live trading session. So do not skip this video, otherwise there is no point watching this video. So let's get started. As you can see, we are on the chart, and by analyzing the chart I can say that the general trend for me, the major trend in this scenario is uptrend, but market is not that strong. As you can see, the price action is weak here. So first of all, let me draw some levels, and then we will try to take a trade to find an opportunity. So let me draw some levels here, and so first of all we will draw a trend line here, because I can see that this is a good support level. So this is a support level, and let me zoom out the chart. Okay, here we have a level of resistance. So market is at its resistance level. As you can see, this is okay. Let me include this also. Okay, so we have a level here. Market is moving in that triangle, which is in between a resistance and a support level. So let's wait for the market to break this level, because I guess this is a good trading opportunity. Now if we look carefully on this chart, the major trend is downtrend, and this is the retracement phase, or we can say a correction phase. So let's wait. In either direction, if we have a breakout, we will going to take a trade. So let's wait. You can see market is consolidated, the price action is weak. So in order to release pressure, market has to break in some direction. So let's wait. We will go with, okay, $100 is enough. This is the usual amount that we trade every time. So let's wait. As you can see, market is not showing that much volume. This is a good candlestick, and I'm waiting for a clear breakout, then only we are going to take a trade. And in this case I can see that the major support level is here. So if market broke through this level, the market will going to hit this level soon. So let's wait, because there is no support level near. These are minor levels, but the major level is here. So if market break this level, it is going to hit at this point. 90% chances are like this. So let's wait, and okay, let me include this also. Okay, so I will increase the time here, because we are going to take a 5-minute trade. This is 1 minute candlestick. These are 1 minute candlestick. It means that every candle is formed in 1 minute, and we are going to take a trade in 5 minutes for the next 5 minutes. So this is a good volume candle. So I'm just waiting. Okay, so you can see this is a breakout. So I have placed my trade, and let's wait for the result, and after the result I will explain you the trading setup completely. So we have won this trade. So let me explain you the trading setup completely. So the first thing which I noticed, that market on that particular chart is uptrend, but the price action was very big. So I have drawn two levels here. This was the support level, the trend line, and this was the resistance level, and I was waiting for a breakout. The next thing which I noticed, that the major trend is actually downtrend, and currently market is in its retracement phase if we look on a overall picture on a bigger size. So this breakout will make the market to continue its trend, which was downtrend. So what I see here, that this level was a strong support level. Why? Because you can see the touches here, almost 4 touches, and in the last video I have also taken the exact same trade where we have got these trend lines, and breakout was very clear. In this case, you can see the 4 touches confirms us that this level is strong. This candlestick, you can see it was strong, the volume is good, you can see the previous candle, and the market reverses from the resistance level. Now the trend for a bigger picture was downtrend, and this breakout will trigger the trades in the direction of the trade. The volume was good here, the candlestick pattern was also supporting the level, which was very strong, has been broken, and that's why I took this trade, because I can see that market was weak here. You can see the price action. If we look carefully here, you will see that in an uptrend, market has to form higher highs and higher lows, but in this case you will see that market is not able to do that. Market was not able to go up, meaning the price action is weak, the momentum is dying, and if you have a breakout, you can place your trade in the direction of the trend, and that's why I took this trade. There were some points, let me remind you again. The level which was strong has been broken, the candlestick pattern was also good, previous candlesticks were also good, and they were rejected from the resistance level. The trend was downtrend if we talk about the major trend, and so I took this trade according to these rules, and we have won this trade very easily. And the next thing which I told you earlier, that market will going to hit this level, 90% chances are that the market will hit this level, because this is the major level, and these levels are used by traders to enter or exit their trade, and that's why I was 90% sure that market will going to hit this level if there is a breakout, and the same thing happened. So these are some points, but they are the basics, and for me, basics are the best. They works best in the market. No indicators will help you if you don't know how to analyze the chart, and pure price action and candlestick analysis can give you an edge over other traders. And that's it for today, and if you find value in this video, make sure you follow us, and if you have any doubt, ask me in the comment section, and I will be happy to answer you as soon as possible. I will meet you in the next video. That's it for today. Keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.